now that we know a little bit about galaxies, we're going to kind of plug into what scientists know, that galaxies are organized into clusters, and further, those clusters are organized into superclusters. So we're going to kind of take a step back and ultimately kind of see how matter in the form of stars, galaxies, clusters, superclusters is distributed in our observable universe. The Milky Way galaxy actually is a part, let me put this whole thing up. The Milky Way galaxy is a part of a group of galaxies called the local group. So the local cluster, or local group, sometimes I heard the local group, actually is a set of galaxies that the Milky Way is a member of. And then the local group or local cluster of galaxies is further a part of the local supercluster of galaxies. Oy vey. So here actually, I haven't mentioned it before, but this is actually, meet the Andromeda galaxy. This is Messier object number 31. Everybody loves the Andromeda galaxy. The Andromeda galaxy is something you can see without binoculars, and it is it's our closest galaxy. It's only 2.5 billion light years away. And actually, if you've heard that the Andromeda galaxy is on a collision course with the Milky Way galaxy, that is true, but it's going to be, what I hear, 100 million years or something from now. So I think we're fine. And when that happens, there will be very limited, if any, intersection of stars from one galaxy colliding with the other galaxy. So up here then, this figure kind of shows kind of the distribution of groups, galaxy groups or galaxy clusters relative to the Milky Way. So then this takes a step back even further. So here we have the Milky Way, our galaxy, and these little dots here, as I understand it, are actually clusters of galaxies. So I don't know if you can see it, but as it turns out, there's this sort of, this actually is called it's just the Great Wall. There are kind of threads of galaxies, groups of galaxies that exist in our universe. Okay, so now this is more kind of a structure of our universe. This actually is getting out to the edge of our observable universe. So it's thought, like the slide says, and that's coming up in my next little bit of slideshow, is that the reason that galaxies kind of cluster together in this sort of kind of webbing, these clusters and superclusters of galaxies, actually has to do with the presence of dark matter and the gravitational influence of dark matter.